The South African government is not committing genocide against white farmers, despite what Donald Trump might have you believe. When South African President Cyril Ramaphosa visited the White House in May, Donald Trump presented him with evidence that was deeply flawed. One of the photographs he held up was not even taken in South Africa. It's from the Democratic Republic of Congo. He also showed footage of a South African opposition politician that tried to claim that his views were government policy. But forget about Trump's dodgy evidence. South Africa has one of the highest homicide rates in the world, but white people do not make up a disproportionate number of the victims. 2 farmers were murdered between January and March in 2025. Both of them were black. 1 farm dweller, 2 farm workers, and a farm manager were also killed in that time. Only the farm dweller was white. Afrikaner lobby group AfriForum counted 49 farm murders in 2023. And that number is not broken down by race. In February, a court dismissed the white genocide claim as clearly imagined and not real.